Piotr here. This LiteFinance Global YouTube channel, as usual, it's my pleasure to be with you again. AI, probably that's the biggest narrative when it comes to the 2023. So today, we are going to try to find few crypto tokens related to the artificial intelligence. So guys, let's jump straight into the video. Artificial intelligence called revolution when it comes to 2023. It's one of the top narratives when it comes to the 2023. So I decided to go through token related to the AI. We are going to go through few informations and then switching to the chart. So first is going to be the graph, few informations and then analysis. So the graph is an indexing protocol for querying networks like Ethereum and IPFS. Anyone can build and publish open APIs called subgraphs, making data easily accessible. That's what we have on their website. Before the graph, teams had to develop and operate proprietary indexing servers. This required significant engineering and hardware resources and broke the important security properties required for decentralization. So here we are talking about the thing, there is no single point of the failure, and of course it's a very cost effective. Okay, that's very important. All data is stored and processed on open networks with verifiable integrity. The graph makes querying this data fast, reliable and secure. So that's very important from that perspective, and because the graph is related to the AI, we've seen a little bit of the Riley lately. So we know already what the graph is all about. So let's have a look and check the chart. So editor, please show us the chart. Here we go. That's the weekly chart, and we were trading as high as almost $3 at the very beginning of 2021, right? 2 years later, we are trading, well, a little bit below 20 cents. Because of the latest hype when it comes to the artificial intelligence, and because the graph is related to AI, we've seen a little bit of the rally. But we hit 23 cents and we are pulling back since then. Why? Because from the technical perspective, we hit the broken demand zone. As you can see, we broke that demand zone over here. So we hit that demand zone and we might see a little bit more consolidation, okay, below 20 cents. But that might be the good point to start to accumulate the token, trying to DCA dollar cost average. But as usual, guys, you have to do your own research before risking real money. There is no doubt that in case of the break of 30 cents, if we are going to see weekly close below what is treated as a resistance right now, we might see attempt to pull back into that buying demand zone, and we might see a little bit of the further rally. How high can we go? Well, looks like the first target above 30 could be around 53-55 cents, and I'm talking here about that rejection over here. The next possible target above that one, it could be this swing high over here. In that case, we are talking about the levels close to 75 cents. And finally, as a third target in case of the upside break, we are talking about the $15 up to eventually the broken level of 125. So in that case, I would look for this type of the price action. First upside break, pullback, first target, a little bit of the pullback, second target, a little bit of the pullback, hitting the third target around $15, $25. So that's it when it comes to the graph. Editor, let's get back into the video and let's have a look what is the second AI token today. And the second AI related token is going to be Fetch. And as you can see right here, right now, we are visiting Fetch.AI. I don't know when you are going to watch the video, but we are approaching very important time, bringing AI to Web3. By downloading the Fetch wallet is going to be the first journey into AI, artificial intelligence with Fetch. Okay, that's something new, and well, to be honest and be frank, I'm clearly watching what kind of the journey by downloading the Fetch wallet we are going to get. Okay, the Fetch.AI network is an interchain protocol based on the Cosmos SDK. And if you are familiar, if you watch video related to the crypto market, I'm talking about the Cosmos quite frequently, and I really, really like overall the Cosmos ecosystem. So the Fetch.AI network is interchain protocol based on the Cosmos SDK, uses a high-performance WASM-based smart contract language, Cosmos WASM. This also allows the Fetch network to serve as a layer 1 network for Ethereum and as an interchain bridge to the rest of the blockchain world. That's also a very significant development here in that case. You can follow the Fetch on Twitter, you can join the Discord, you can connect on the Telegram, and they strongly encourage you to participate. They organized Ask Me Anything, so then you might try to follow up on that as well. So another artificial intelligence related token, let's have a look what we have on the chart. So editor, please show us the chart. Here, as you can see, we've seen much bigger rally than what we have when it comes to the graph. But first thing first, in the mid of 2021, we were trading as high as 120. After the bear market started, we fall as low as below 10 cents. Once we broke 10 cents, we've seen significant almost or 6x rally. That's impressive, taking into the consideration that we are still actually in a bear market. So let's place a few lines on this weekly chart. Let's have a look what we have and what we might eventually expect. I think that the biggest support, the biggest demand zone is in between 8 and 12 cents. That's significant. But also, I think that we are not going to get that deep pullback. The first, very important, is somewhere around 25 cents. So let's place the line here, and we are talking about this breakout candle. And why it's so important? Because we took out very important supply level around 25, 27 cents. So that bottom of that broken candle is going to be the first very important level. We had a problem with the latest supply levels, but frankly, it looks like the supply been cleared, all right, been eaten. So let's place another line somewhere here, because that's 60 cents. It's going to be the first supply, but I think we might look, in case of the continuation of the AI-related tokens rally, we might see a little bit higher levels, even up to 90 cents. So in that case, over here, right? So I would look for another pullback down towards 27, 25 cents. I would look for another quick rejection, and I would start to slowly accumulate at that level, maybe with DCA, looking for a first target around 60 cents again, and then higher up towards 90 cents, maybe $1. So editor, let's get back into the video. Let's have a look what is the third token, AI-related token we are going to discuss today. So the third and last AI-related token we are going to discuss today is a Numer.AI. And what I like the most on their website are some slogans, really nice. The hardest data science tournament in the world, all right? So meaning that using their data, which is hedge fund quality data, okay? That's what we have on their website, and you might want to download this data. You may apply machine learning to predict the stock market move, okay? Build a model using the example Python or R scripts. Everything you need to get started is in one package. So you may wanna clone example scripts, all right? The next thing here is to submit the prediction to control the capital of Numer.AI's hedge fund, all right? So you may wanna sign up, apply, and you may wanna take the advantage of what they propose to try to maybe even test your system. So you are going to build a reputation to claim your place on the leaderboard. You may stake on your model to earn cryptocurrency. So you may want to get the reward in that case, right? If you are profitable. So it's very important. I strongly encourage you to visit their website, Numer.AI, as you can see here, right? Because what they want to do, they want to build the world's last hedge fund, right? That's what I really like, especially that we know that artificial intelligence is going to have huge impact when it comes to the financial market move predictions, all right? So editor, let's switch to the chart. There you go. That's the weekly chart. We were trading as high as close to 100, okay? But with the bear market, we've seen very strong move to the downside, and we were trading as low as 550, okay? So we found the demand based on the original move to the upside, right? Is it going to happen this time around? Well, I don't know. First thing first, I'm scary a bit about these upper shadows over here, right? So each and every time we are approaching the level close to 36, okay, we have quite big supply coming into the market. Because of this latest weakness here and the current price action, we may talk about some kind of the range between 550, 36.50. So it's all about $31. So if we are going to break to the upside, we might double that range, right? Meaning that we might hit something around in between 65 and 70. So that wouldn't be surprise, because that's going to be that particular zone over here, okay? As of now, we are in the middle of that range, no man's land. I would wait to see bigger pullback. In that case, I would start to look for some kind of the accumulation a little bit above or around $10, right? Maybe again DCA, but you have to do your own research as usual. You have to do your own homework, guys, before risking your hard-earned money. In that case, if that's going to happen, I would target top of that range first. So we are talking about the 35, 36, and I would look for the move higher. In case of the upside break, I would look for pullback to maybe rebuild some kind of the position and targeting something around 65 and 70. With that being said, taking into the consideration that AI, artificial intelligence narrative, might be the one of the biggest when it comes to 2023, maybe even 2024, I'm pretty sure I'm going to make more research and I will get back to you with few more AI related tokens. Guys, it was my pleasure to prepare this update for you. See you around, take care and goodbye.